plants is called botany. Just like animals, plants need food for survival. Do you know where plants make their food? Plants make their food in the leaves. The process by which plants make their food is called photosynthesis. Click on the plant to know how photosynthesis takes place. A plant collects water from the ground and energy from the sun. It breathes in carbon dioxide from the air. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves. Leaves contain a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll acts on sunlight to make it suitable for use in the process of photosynthesis. When this sunlight is mixed with carbon dioxide and water, it makes a type of sugar called glucose. Glucose is the food that helps the plant to grow. Oxygen is also made during the process of photosynthesis. The oxygen leaves the plant and goes into the air. Animals need oxygen to live. This is how photosynthesis takes place. Do you know that 1/3 of the oxygen on Earth is produced by plants in the rainforests? So, it is very important to preserve the rainforests of the Earth. Click Next.